Hi everybody, a very I guess it's afternoon. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I'm the founder and the CEO and the brainwave behind this. And this is a message which is on enhancing the beauty of walls and spaces around you and stuff. All you need is three elements, basic and easy to do, but it's going to look really gorgeous and stunning and amazing for sure, depending on the choice of flowers that you have. So all you need is maybe a test tube kind of vase or a container, or you could have a bottle like this. Yeah, and you have some artificial tulips or some flowers and stuff like that. And you kind of have a wall hanging, which is probably uh, a wooden or a wood look stand which can be nailed in the wall and stuff. If you have a aesthetic or a beautiful wall with lighting and everything, that should work good. I'm going to share the pictures of what I have in mind so you could implement those. But for those who do not have funnels or these test tube kind of vases at home, probably a vase which you can carefully kind of put into the stand and install it on the walls would look good. So take a look at the pictures and stuff. It's just an idea which came to my mind. So it's going to look good. Have your favorite flowers, probably tulips, probably gladiolas, probably greens or whatever works best for you. Maybe dahlia, maybe sunflower, maybe roses. If they are real, all right. If they are close to real, which are so easily available in Delhi these days, you could make the best use of those, and you're going to have a good display at your end. So to kind of give it a uplift or a facelift, you could actually have a series of those also installed. So if you have a lobby, or if you have, let's say, a table where you're sitting and working, you could have it on your head, or maybe around your rack or something, maybe in your bedrooms or whatever. Maybe the washrooms, wherever you want plants. I mean, it's flowers wherever you want. I mean, your bedroom, the lifestyle room, living rooms, libraries, studios, wherever. And the best part is, you can have a series of those, if you can have a single one of those. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Ham Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor interior solutions, and flowers are in. And luckily, the weather is good. And if you want a respite from all the muck and the pollution and everything, a good idea is to have colorful, uplifting stuff because you feel good. You could also add drops of incense, or maybe these oils that are available in the market, your favorite, and smell those whenever you want to relax and stuff. Because I feel not just me, but a lot of like-minded people I've just met at my gym and otherwise in my neighborhood and stuff. Some people are feeling this irritation and heaviness in the head and stuff. So for me, it's basically because I have not been able to work out. I've not done my exercises for a while now. So all the energy and everything is there, but it's mostly the weather. So for people who are not able to go to the gym because of pollution issues or working from home or whatever, they are not well, shake it up. Do some sport exercises, do some yoga, do some head exercises, do some jumping jacks or whatever, and do Surya Namaskar. Just shake the energy, because when you have excessive energy and you've not kind of had an outlet, you get a little irritated and stuff. Okay. And also, the point is this: it's important to kind of take care that you have movement happening around. Also, because when you're shaking up and you're in movement and stuff, maybe you're running or maybe you're exercising or whatever, maybe you play some loud music and jump or whatever. The point is, energy circulation definitely helps you relax. So these aesthetic tips of decor and home and office experiences and stuff will actually elevate also the overall look of your rooms and stuff. So the moment you come in from a space which is not so good, not so uplifting, not so amazing, and if you've not had a good drive or whatever, then of course you're going to feel good. So I've just come into my house, and I work out of this space here, so it's so well lit, and I'm feeling good because my table is clean, and I've got some beautiful nature around me and stuff. I've already shared the pictures here, this one. So, take a look at that, and you can carry nature indoors. And because I'm from luxury and quality experience of interiors and retail and stuff, I can only recommend and suggest ideas which you could implement, and that are going to basically come handy to you, and you're going to feel definitely